Today we're entering a new era where AI isn't just answering questions, it's building its own internal values, it's learning to reason like a human, and it's accessing your private world like never before. In the next 15 minutes, we'll break down Anthropic's shocking new AI constitution that tries to teach Claude morality, explore Google's AI mode, now reading your Gmail and photos to tailor answers, and connect the dots on what all this means for privacy, power, and the future of intelligence. Buckle up. First up, Anthropic just dropped a game-changing update to Claude, its flagship AI. A new AI constitution intended to give Claude ethical reasoning, safety prioritization, and even a framework for moral judgment, not just rule-based checks. This isn't just another safety document, it's an operational worldview for an AI. Unlike older AI guardrails that are rigid, this constitutional rewrite tries to teach Claude why it shouldn't do harmful things, forever embedding safety and values at its core. It sets priorities like safety first, ethics second, and helpfulness after that. Even more controversial, the document flirts with the idea that Claude could have a form of moral status or consciousness, essentially inviting the question, can an AI internalize ethical decisions like a person? That's a bombshell in the world of AI. Shifting gears from how AI thinks to what it knows about you. Google's AI mode, powered by Gemini, just got a massive power-up. It can now integrate your Gmail and your Google Photos to tailor answers specifically for you. Imagine Google's AI not just answering a generic travel or food question, but pulling flight confirmations from your inbox and images of past trips from your photos to build you a custom itinerary, without you typing a single detail. And yes, this feature is opt-in, and Google says it doesn't train on your private content. But the line between personal convenience and private data access has never been thinner. These two stories converge on one big theme: AIs gaining internal principles while also gaining access to our private information. On one side, we're teaching AI to judge right from wrong. On the other, we're letting it into the most intimate parts of our digital lives. That tension, ethics versus convenience, is where the future will be decided. Do we want AI that understands what's important to us, or AI that decides what's right for us? And can a system that claims a moral compass truly respect the moral imperative of privacy? Companies are racing to make AI indispensable. But as these systems integrate deeper into search, email, and personal data, the power to influence decisions, from travel choices to conversations to career moves, grows exponentially. Here's the bottom line. We're standing at a crossroads. AI is no longer just a tool that answers questions. It's becoming something that understands reasoning and your personal world. That's powerful and risky. With Claude's moral framework and Google's personalized AI insights, we're seeing two contrasting visions of AI. One trying to internalize human values, and the other embedding itself into your behavior patterns. As these systems grow, individuals and companies alike must ask a hard question. Who controls the values inside AI, and who controls access to our private lives? AI in 2026 isn't just about smarter technology, it's about deeper integration and ethical evolution. Claude's constitution could redefine safety for decades, and Google's AI mode is reshaping how we interact with our own digital footprint. So before you accept generative AI as pure convenience, ask yourself this: is it guiding your decisions or understanding your values? Drop a comment below. Does AI deserve access to your personal data? Hit like if you learned something wild today. Subscribe for daily AI updates, and I'll see you next time.